What if I told you that there's a creature older than dinosaurs, can survive nuclear explosions, and is living rent-free in 78 to 98% of homes? Cockroaches, nature's ultimate survivor. They damage your clothes, leave dirt, cause foul odors, and lay eggs in fabrics. I've experienced this problem before. I once found my favorite clothes ruined with tiny holes, strange dirt, and a terrible smell. To make things worse, I saw a cockroach darting out. Frustrated, I knew I had to do something. So as a researcher, I began looking for a solution that is natural, safe, and effective. Here's the twist. Even the toughest pests have a weakness. Meet pandan. It contains all natural compounds such as 2-AP and saponin. Pandan have a strong fragrance that can repel cockroaches. An all-natural hero that's about to take fight to these invaders. Let me show you how. Good day everyone, I am Floren Kitong and I'm here to present our research entitled Sustainable Fabric Care. The impact of Pandanus amarylifolius or pandan leaves as a fabric conditioner for repelling Blattodea or cockroach. The following objectives are: describe the characteristics, investigate the effectiveness, and determine the impact of effectiveness of the pandan-based fabric conditioner in repelling cockroaches. Statement of the problem. How may the pandan-based fabric conditioner be described in terms of fragrance, appearance, and availability? How does the effectiveness of pandan-based fabric conditioner work as a cockroach repellent when be described in terms of time and amount? Is there any significant relationship between the pandan-based fabric conditioner as a cockroach repellent when grouped according to its effectiveness? Null hypothesis. There is no significant relationship between the amount of pandan-based fabric conditioner and the time it takes to repel the cockroaches. Methodology. So the materials we used are pandan leaves, water, white vinegar, and vegetable glycerine. So for the first procedure is cut the pandan leaves into small pieces, boil them in 20 minutes with low heat. After that, add white vinegar and vegetable glycerine, and it is ready to be used. So for our experiment proper, we have 10 cockroaches as our experimental group. So as you can see in experiment number 1, in the first picture, we use our pandan-based Fabcon as a last rinse of our laundry. And we tested if the 10 cockroaches will be repelled from the clean shirt. Amazingly, the 10 cockroaches avoided the clean shirt. So as we exaggerate our experiment, we have stained clothes. We use the same 10 cockroaches from our experiment number 1. 40 trials and 10 trials for each amount of Fabcon. We started at 0 without any Fabcon, and then 2 ml, 5 ml, and 10 ml. Without the pandan-based fabric conditioner, the 10 cockroaches munch on the stained cloth. And after 5 minutes, we remove the cockroach. And as we remove it, we notice something. The cockroach laid an egg on the stained shirt. But with our pandan-based Fabcon, the 10 cockroaches avoided the stained shirt. After the experiment, we conducted a face-to-face survey. We created a self-made questionnaire to assess the characteristics of our pandan-based Fabcon, which are fragrance, appearance, and availability. We used a 4-point Likert scale with the options poor, fair, good, and excellent. And the results of the survey says, excellent quality of all the factors which are fragrance, appearance, and availability. We have a general mean of 3.71 and a standard deviation of 0.5, therefore demonstrating consistent agreement regarding its attributes. This is the actual data of the 40 trials. So with the results, we found out that the higher the amount of pandan-based Fabcon leads to faster effectiveness. And now I have here a graph. This is a visual representation of the data I have presented earlier. As you can see, as the amount increases, the faster it is to repel the cockroaches. And aside from survey, experiment, and observation, we have a mathematical analysis and a statistical treatment. We use Pearson correlation. Correlation is significant at 0.05 level. As you can see, as the amount increases, the p-value becomes less than 0.05, making the decision significant, and our remarks there is a significant relationship between the variables. So the null hypothesis is rejected. And now I have here a scatter diagram showing the relationship between the effectiveness between the time and amount. As you can see, as the amount increases, the faster it is to repel the cockroaches. There is a positive correlation. It is positively correlated, and this implies a high level of effectiveness. Conclusion: pandan is considered an excellent fabric conditioner. The larger quantities of this Fabcon leads to faster effectiveness. There is a significant relationship between the amount of Fabcon and the time it takes to repel the cockroaches. So for the recommendations for the future researchers, involve more than 50 respondents for survey, experiment with more than 10 cockroaches sample, and bring the product to laboratory testings. With this product, not a single cockroach can land on clothes ever again. And now I am proud to say that this product is soft on clothes and tough on cockroaches. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Maribel.